Is part 3. I had to do a redo because I accidentally showed my face and I can't show my face. Also, nobody asked for a face reveal, please. Okay, next I have this rainbow star thingy. It's kind of hard to open. Okay, I did it. Now let's grab it. Okay, I don't know how this thing works. How does this work? I don't know how this thing works, but it looks cool spinning. Okay, I have no clue how this thing works, but it's cool. And I'll hang it outside after this video. I'm not going to unbox this, but I'm tempted to try it. It is birthday cake. This is birthday cake flavored Hershey ice cream. It's not ice cream, but it's ice cream flavored Hershey birthday cake. This. I don't think I'm gonna open these up because it would be a pain in the clothespins if I open this up. So we're just gonna leave that. I already unboxed this and it is so satisfying to squish. I forgot to put this in the freezer. Okay. Anyways, let's unbox my pencils. Da, da, da. Okay, let's turn the TV off. That way nobody would have to hear the noises of the TV. Where did the pencils go? Oh, here they are. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna grab this pen and just stab into it. Yeah. Okay. Now that I have done that, now we are going to open this. Okay. That was kind of hard to do. Anyways, open sesame of the Jelly Belly pencils. Okay. I don't remember what type of scents they are. I'm gonna see if okay, so here's the cover. So I only remember a few. So I think this is tangerine. No scent. No, this is melon. This has no scent, just a hint of sugariness. Next is juicy pear. It has kind of an appley scent. Oh, yeah. Next is cotton candy. Smells like nothing. Next is Eastland punch. I don't know how to pronounce it. Smells a bit fruity. Next is very cherry. Smells like nothing. Last but not least, we have tangerine. It smells like only has a hint of sweetness. So these do not smell like them at all. They're just decorated pencils. But I still think that they were and these are only $1.25. That is amazing. Okay, now we are going yeah. Okay, I only got the tag off. I didn't get this plasticky part off. But anyways, I'm going to put all of my stationaries thingies inside of here. Help. Okay, this is hard. Help. Okay, I can't fit this in, sadly. but it can fit my jelly bean pencils and my pencil case thing. Okay, zip. Okay, do I have to unbox anything else? Oh, yes. And last but not least, my charger. My new charger that I got from Dollarama, and it's really pretty. There was also a pink one that was similar to this, but I liked this one better. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, done. Now let's get this out. Oh, it's so amazing. Oh my god, I love it. I love it already. Hopefully I didn't show my face in this video, because I have already unboxed everything. Okay. So here's the rainbowness. Well, this thing is quite long. And then this part. If there's no white surrounding on there, that means it's not for Apple. And this is not for Apple. So I can actually switch this out right now. BRB. Because I'm literally drinking the tablet right now. I'm just going to unplug the whole thing. And unplug that. And unplug it from here. I'm just switching out the cords. I had this blue one before. Now I'm going to switch it out for the rainbow. Yeah. Although it is a bit shorter. Okay, so it doesn't reach far enough, so I'm gonna have to move mine to like so. Okay. Okay. Now I can plug it in. And yeah. Oh, wrong way. Yeah. Okay. In now. Okay. And we are done. Okay. Oh yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to open up that subscribe button like you would on Halloween with your basket. I don't understand why I said that. But anyways, oh yeah, get one of these. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the parts. And also, in a separate video, I will be doing how to craft the clothespin thing, and also me freezing the mask. So come back for those parts. Bye!